Hello everyone. In our last video, we explored some major risks that disrupt supply chains like machine breakdowns, supplier issues, delays, and even cyber attacks. All those real world problems we talked about. Today, we are back with their solutions. Yes, this video is a continuation of our previous one. If you haven't seen that yet, check it out first to understand the scenarios better. And now, let's look at how companies can actually solve this problem point by point, just like we discussed earlier. So, the first one is operational risk, how to handle daily disruption. Imagine a factory where machines are working 24 into 7. Suddenly, one of the main machines stops. What now? To avoid such disruptions, companies follow preventive maintenance schedule. That means checking machines regularly before they break. They also cross train employees, so if someone is absent or there is a strike, others can fill the gap without slowing down the work. And yes, digital monitoring systems alert teams early if something looks wrong so they can fix it before it becomes a big problem. Next is financial risk, managing the money side. Let's say a company is running low on cash, payments to supply gets delayed, raw materials stop arriving, and everything slows down. To avoid this, businesses build strong financial planning strategies. So, they keep emergency funds ready and diversify funding sources, like using both short term and long term loans wisely. Some even agree on flexible payment terms with suppliers to keep the flow going when things get tight. Third one is geopolitical risk, how to handle political uncertainty. One day, a country changes its trade rules overnight. Suddenly, raw materials from that region become expensive or even banned. So, how do businesses prepare for this? They don't rely on one country. Instead, they use multi sourcing, that means having suppliers from different parts of the world. They also keep an eye on international news and work with logistics teams to create backup routes just in case the usual path is blocked. Next is environmental risk. Think of a heavy storm damaging roads, stopping trucks, or flooding factories. That's why businesses now check the risk level of areas where their factories or supplies are located. They keep extra inventory in safe zone, use weather forecasting tools, and make emergency plans like alternative transport or local warehousing to keep things moving even when nature acts up. Fifth one is cybersecurity risk, protecting the digital supply chain. Digital tools help manage orders and stock, but what if someone hacks the system? To stay safe, companies use strong firewalls, regular security updates, and backup servers. They also train staff not to click on suspicious emails and test their systems for weaknesses through regular audits. And if something still goes wrong, quick response teams are ready to take control and recover the system fast. Next is demand fluctuations, dealing with unpredictable sales. Imagine a company preparing for huge demand, but the product doesn't sell, or sometimes the demand suddenly rise and there is not enough stock. To manage this, companies use demand forecasting tools, software that studies past sales and current trends. They also keep flexible production schedules and design their supply chains to quickly scale up or down based on real time data. The last one is supply risk. When a supplier fails, what if a supplier suddenly shuts down? The whole chain breaks, correct? To prevent this, businesses avoid relying on a single source. They find multiple suppliers in different regions. They also build long term relationships with key partners, review supplier health regularly, and keep a small emergency stock for critical items. If one supplier faces trouble, the other can step in and keep operations smooth. So, you saw how real those risks are, but every risk has a smart solution too. With the right planning, a bit of technology, and a solid teamwork, businesses can stay one step ahead and keep things running smoothly, no matter what comes their way. If this video helped you understand things better, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to SCM Hype where we make supply chain simple and practical for everyone.